This is the make or wine be any.
This is one hour.
Who fear what it dino. And there is one thing about Kotoko this season. Almost every match, you get somebody to talk about.
Yes.
Yakobo President's Cup.
Yeah.
Democracy Cup, sorry. Democracy Cup, you boy and a play will be a can of Samba. Samba. After no. Preseason ne kwasona na betamu e goals.
So be kana someone na mu.
E wa na so mo goals. So mo akọ. E wa na Emmanuel Antwi. Edin bam no bia shase e kana asem. First league of the game. Another player you know Kamara, goalkeeper. Obia shase e kana asem. Enti ase Kotoko game bia no. Unya player ba ko hu say player we there. On board do Kotoko material. And the supporters down on Mutifia and a copac, I season ya feni about first match. But match biano preseason nimu everybody samri. Unya player ba ko biaka na asem say asem si die onimbo. Uko training grounds akola keto bi wo Vitus. Omfen la mi yama. Otro SSC.
Me say omuhwe omu mpelefo no mo no. Because Omushia, and yes, as in say, yes, Omu.
Yes.
But what you want more
or Trowasi? Yes. No Trowasi in Ria. No, your chance for Kotoko. Obiabu. And to this season, there is no make or wine.
Biggie.
A man telling him box.
Say, no. MVP award, no. Say, the ma, it mean money, say, the NPA 5 year moon and Kedemoma. I got to play the 5. Because I blow Benabi.
They know, honestly, Chairman, I blow surprise me.
I blow Samba is smart. I got to a point, smart
was fantastic.
Catch us in the
Lord Damois.
Tell it why?
Monday, me catch a kwame say, why? I was saying, man, who could take me and training. Because born now, Lord Damois boy, you know.
But you know what, Biggie? A good team. It's a team that has a very good, equally good bench.
Of course.
Until they're all born. Need to teach them. No difference.
Yes, and one out teach you know. As I say, a challenge mouth.
Oh yes.
Now working hard.
Oh yes, harder.
It's ada also be no opportunity.
No, so
no to Tiariama technical team no.
Because I a smart baller boy. Enemy Patrick Siedu ball am smehunu.
Patrick Siedu is a fine left back.
Fantastic left back. Fantastic
left back.
But on the day, it's my surprise.
Yes. Because ada who be ya bono. Making sure that who to Tiariama technical team.
You will have to prove. You will have to prove. And I could see cordiality among the players. I say, omo can.
I never come in so many maturity.
Oh yes.
I would team yes. Players now a bono. Okay, about a year the back four. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Me for goalkeeper and count and 5. Sandy pa 5 ne work to actually one no. Are so mature to the extent say understanding the game and their fellow player. Are easy more.
Telling you.
First game of the season. And look at the kind of understanding on the ball game. No. Honestly, Monday me catch a kwame say na abulono or samba kakra we mu. Look how you rough for Bamina ko mu pa.
They didn't come out during the pre-season matches. So people talk say we were hyping our players.
Yeah.
But Sunday they no. Because there was no instance go Obima 40 pass. But that back 5 no.
Yeah.
Let me add the goalkeeper because it got to a point I don't know ball passing rather than say
and ball also so ne hum pray no. Or you very calm.
Look at the player.
Big me say obi onu nyum to what nyum won tie mu. Gwe onu to. O won take kege onu nyum to. Ne onu to no. Chese. I mean effortless. Na say so to nyum no a. Ball oni chese. What do to so got to a ball bi wo gina obotutas. Pa na mi no boss a.
No mo bobo obi da obi head here. Not in Sabako. No, you born. This is the supporters in the team watch.
Because we say, Sakamemi is our player now. Can we discourage throughout this because my dream have a ball partner. What's the fiancé here?
What's the Sabako you born? He say,
Unim. Was in a Guinea national team? No order. No be better. No. To one over be proven. Again, team no. Be proven one church were better than him. And then also be addition team.
Yeah.
Because me catch a player be say. And next I will get 10,000 was Kotoko. 10,000 Ghana cedis. The next sky was about me $10,000. So I will limit you one. So if you get satisfied with the amount you are taking in Kotoko, I won't come baby.
Debbie.
But then me get 10,000 Kotoko, me pay $10,000 aje. Enti de na me ye na me denya sa 10,000. It was me more me double no.
So miam.
Saka dada can say me chairman. Na nini nam krum. I say chairman, if it doesn't win the league this season, you have to beat us. As someone catch me no. I'm saying, are you sure? No, yes. The quality is too much. There are some training I'm going through. I never even knew that as a player. I have to go through this kind of training. I'm seeing different thing altogether. And I'm saying, yeah, the kind of effort you used to put, which I said you used to put up, no. They now effort now, you know, Bofakwata no. Was also double 10 times. They now we're Bofakwata was also 10 times what I'm taking Kotoko.
Yeah.
Because tell me, what see, no more Bofakwa or Sunyana no or Bobo Masari in Koyau. What's on the super they were not ratching. What's up on Antimash? And I'm so okay. And I started preparation we had the can honor. I was so in Tam still was something to be so the Beshao.
Because they now you know what the Beshao.
Obey the Beshao.
And they will be so yet about the
Beshao. I was so 10 times. And we had player no come on immediately. I was very happy. Because player not me say I was him yesterday. When I was in me to abuse the supporters, to abuse those who brought me to Asante Kotoko. Charlie, I just say yes. Who are mature players. Or say got to a point Nana Kotoko captains. This time, my captains about 5 of them. We say Patrick, I said don't let the captain become Chelsea.
Yeah.
We say offense Saka no or captain
Bofako. Yeah.
We have about 5 captains. No me captain, one former don't me 5 of them. And the born I born and pioneer boss say injury free season. Me empire me born no. Injury free. Mrs. Yamia, Mitiamia, Baby. You go places.
Master Chairman, Meta about so. Pole.